In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use this Minimax Agent alternative to create ads. The name of this platform is Novoads AI, and the link is going to be in the comment section and in my profile. Once you arrive here, you need to create an account, and once you create the account, you will arrive here. Now, first, we're going to create an image ad and then a video ad. Actually, here you can see the result of this tutorial, but in Spanish. So now, to create the first ad, the image ad, we have to click here in See More. Now the tool that we're going to use is this one, Image to Product Ad. Now we have to click here and upload an image of our product. In this case, it's a serum. Now I want to add some text, and here in text language, we have to change it to English. Now we have to click in Generate, and now we have to just wait 1 minute. Perfect, here we have the ad, and personally, I like it a lot. It looks really clean, and well, I like it. So now let's create a video ad. So to do that, we have to click here in video section. Now we have to go to settings, and here I like to use Seedance 2.0. So now we have to upload an image of our product, and now we have to write a prompt. This prompt doesn't have to be very complicated. So the prompt that I created is this one, and you will see that the result will be really good. So now we have to click here and now in Generate. And now we have to wait more or less 3 to 4 minutes. Perfect, here we have the video, so now let's see it.
Guys, I have to show you what I've been obsessed with lately. This right here is my secret weapon. Look at this texture, so lightweight, and it sinks in instantly, instant glow, no joke. Trust me, your skin will thank you. You need this in your life.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot. The camera is really good, the lipstick is really good, and it looks really realistic. So if you like it, I want to tell you that you can try Novoads AI for just $1. This is literally less than a coffee. So well, after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and see you in the next video.